Oh no, the gasket!
Drove the... Oh no.
That was pretty cool.
What's the name of the show, Dave?
Did we run out of gas or something? Observe.
What are we working on today, guys?
Well, we got a Corvette motor.
Yeah, that's enough cylinders. Brief history on this unit. There is none. I got it free from an estate. We do have compression. There was oil in it that's since drained out. I'm optimistic that we can just take this apart, get the bearings and rings that I also got for free, slapped in this thing, and dyno at what when we're done? 89.5 horsepower?
91.3. Wow. I'm calling it right now.
It's gonna be fast.
This is a Triumph TR3 motor. TR4 motor.
It's got it. This is a 2.2 instead of a 1800. What or 2 liter in the TR 2.2.
Because if we're gonna build a Corvette, we're gonna put a Triumph in it because this is Triumph by air.
So now we throw this thing outside and bring in the good engine?
Yeah. Wow.
That might actually be the right one. Yep, it is. It's a stud puller. It's got little one-way bearings in it.
I'm very late to Keith's house today to rebuild the Triumph motor. Everyone's already inside, even Joe beat me here. If I don't get a chair thrown at me in the next 30 seconds, something's seriously wrong.
What the fuck? What are you doing here late, huh? Might as well sit on it. That's all you're fucking good for.
Oh, have a seat. Keith doing the drywall.
Oh no, the gasket!
Solder it or something.
Braze.
Braze.
There we go. So, observe. Looks like we might have had a head gasket leak of some sort.
Oh, it's like powder.
Well, that's like what? It's about 1 or 2 cents worth of copper powder right there.
A little overzealous.
It's fine.
Go!
I had to take this oil pan off once because when I was putting it in the Corvette, I needed to see where the filter was, see if it was going to hit. So
I'm behind door number 1.
now some of you might be thinking, like, you guys are rebuilding a motor and you didn't buy all new bearings and all new everything, and the answer is no. We're idiots on a budget. How would we do that? We just assume things are good until they're really not. Well, here we go. Here is rod number 1. Man, there's a little pit there that I'm just going to pretend I didn't see, but other than that, it looks fine.
Yeah. The block.
No, we did. Oh, yeah, we did. So, we actually removed the cylinder bore. As you can see here, this is really clean. We should just be able to do a dingle ball hone. Yeah, that's how we did in the old days. The bad news is Keith,
Hey,
kind of gave her all the way.
I'll get it.
Fine.
You told me to.
I did not.
You did too.
No, I was gonna use this and just lightly tap it out, and then
No, you don't do that.
no. So we got the claw hammer. Hold on. I think you just drove the two.
Drove the.
Oh no. And we kind of gave it all the way, and that board kind of expanded in here and blew this out. And I did bring an extra cylinder, so as long as they measure similarly, we can probably just substitute on that and it'll be fine. But that's really not critical, so whoops.
Weight reduction.
This is Triumph by air. shop would be lost if we waited 3 weeks on this. So believe it or not, we actually are going to use a torque wrench here. You didn't think we would, but we are. Wow. So yeah, be careful about scratching that. We're just gonna use all of this bottle and it should probably hold.
Not what you know, but it's who you know. And I happen to know people that have machine shops. Let's go shave a couple thou off her, shall we? We're here at D&M Engines, and if you have an engine, he's probably machined one at some time. And of course, a TR4 is included in that.
I mean, it wouldn't be a day at Keith's house if we didn't have to face the final boss.
I'm feeling the same happiness seeing this in here as some boomer feels seeing a bored out 454 in here. Like, it's that kind of happiness. That was pretty cool. I didn't think that was way cooler than I thought it would be. Man. You know, we just casually lit the entire engine bay in the shop on fire on purpose. Nothing wrong with doing that. Stupid is as stupid does, man. Oh my god, you gotta come down and see this when I'm done, dude.
Hang on.
The SU, look how close that SU comes to hitting the hood. But it doesn't. Actually, it might. I don't know, if we tighten that manifold up, it might rub just a little bit on the front there. Wow. Top off. This thing is actually pretty fucking bad. It's so awful. I actually like this. So, I mean, I thought this thing was scooting pretty good, but Joe, how fast would you tell those guys that this thing went at one point, you think?
Between 80 and 85.
You may be wondering why we put a Triumph TR4 motor in a C3 Corvette. That car was built to run the Lemons Rally. The idea behind that being to run the worst car possible and still make it to the end. So we put a hideously unreliable engine into a 70s Corvette. It's about a 1,500 mile, 3-day rally, so stay tuned to the next episode of Triumph by Air. See that Frankenstein in action. And then to future episodes to see what we come up with next.
Dudes, this thing fucking rules from this angle. I could sit here and look at this thing in a lawn chair all day fucking long until it gets too cold out. Look at this. Will you just look at it? Oh, this is... I never thought I would see a Corvette as majestic as this. It's just amazing.